Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching your device into airplane mode to meet safety rules. Once done, open Settings and toggle Wi-Fi back on. You do this because airplane mode disables radios broadly, and you explicitly re-enable the permitted Wi-Fi radio. Make sure the crew or airline allows Wi-Fi at that phase of flight, and check battery level. Paid services often require a login and card. Now scan for the aircraft SSID that usually includes the airline name, and select it to begin. Once you select the aircraft SSID, the network typically redirects you to a captive portal. You must accept terms and choose a plan. You do this because the portal authenticates devices and optionally charges for bandwidth. So follow on-screen prompts, enter your name or seat number if required, or process payment with a card. If nothing appears, open a fresh browser window and navigate to a non-HTTPS site to trigger the portal. Make sure to close background apps that might auto-sync and eat your quota. You finish by verifying the connection with a quick web page or light speed test, because aircraft links can be high latency and low throughput. Once confirmed, make sure to restrict heavy apps, turn off auto updates, and choose low-quality streams to keep the session stable. If pages fail to load, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, forget the network and reconnect, or restart the device. This clears cached DNS and captive portal issues. If it still fails, ask the flight attendant for help. Sometimes the service is down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.